Welcome back, Earthlings. As you can see, we have made progress. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing. Of course, we had a bit of a flood here in the basement and part of the home theater was ruined, but we had an opportunity to redo it, remodel, and do some renovations. So on this video, I'll give you guys a quick recap of the upgrades and the improvements that I've made so far. Thanks for tuning in. Let's check it out. So the first thing I did was take full advantage of the exposed studs and ran fresh 14.2 gauge wire to all of my existing speaker locations, as well as added 2 new side surround channels so that I could go to a 7.2.2 Dolby Atmos setup. Next, once all the speaker wire was securely in place, I added some ROCKWOOL soundproofing insulation to the barrier. My first real upgrade was a much needed AV rack that I built into the wall. It is a Sync product, 21U AV rack with top mounted fans for cooling, which will keep everything nice and sleek and clean in the room. And finally, the piece de resistance, my fresh new paint job, went with a dark charcoal gray called Shadow Mountain. And as previously mentioned, as you can see, I cut in a spot for the new side surround bipole speakers. So there you have it, folks. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll have some links in the description of some of the products I've been looking at and choosing for my upgrades. And leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you like the channel. Thanks for watching.
Don't play with it, don't be the sign.